Hello. Welcome to Fit and Free with me, SuperClown. No, I mean Aunt Angel. It's snowboarding season where I turn into a little bit more SuperClown. And you might be able to see I got a lot going on around here. But I'm not going to let that stop me from checking in with my body and doing my 100 any reps minimum, which I like to do standing on my head for goal stacking purposes. And I can already tell I'm going to miss that 2-minute mark probably, so I'm not going to hurry. I've got some neck issues going on, somewhat chronically. And I could tell you that's an excuse for why I haven't been doing them, and it is, but I'm still going to do them, so I don't know why I brought it up. I'm silly. Did I mention that? Oh, yeah. Just clowning around over here. Let's count backwards from I bet that's around 10, so we'll just start at 90. 89, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 80, 79, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 70, 69, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50. Let's switch the legs and go 49, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 40, 39, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30, 29, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30, 29, 8, 7, 6. I think I did that twice. 2, 1, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I could do 10 extra when in doubt, and I had some doubts in there, so I'll whip those out. All of that rhymes, so you know it's true. Give myself a hand or a foot, as the case may be. Oh, it's starting to feel a little bit better. Little bit by little bit. We're getting better around here. How about you? Let me know how it goes, and whatever else you do, remember to stay curious, stay courageous, stay fit and stay free as you can. Ciao for now.